How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up SteelSeries Sonar for Discord. So the first thing that you want to do is to set your output device through the headset that you are using. So basically in here, the example is going to be for the SteelSeries Arctic Nova, and same thing with the chat. You want to make sure that you are using the microphone and the speaker that you have plugged in onto your device. Now from there, let's head over to Discord. In here, click on user settings, navigate through the voice and video, and make sure that both of the SteelSeries Sonar is selected for microphone and speaker, which will then look something like this. We have the SteelSeries Sonar microphone and the SteelSeries Sonar as chat. And basically, you also want to make sure that you adjust the mic right here. If you want to set it for something like open always, you could just go ahead and do that, and simply from there you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.